Hey everybody, welcome. Oh, where's my soundboard? Totally forgot to check that. Welcome! Finally! Good morning. Yomar, good to see you. Good morning, good morning. Market is about to open, but I do need to make a phone call. So excuse me for 2 minutes because that's why I just started a little bit earlier. Give me 2 minutes. I'll be right back. There's someone waiting for me at the door. And we'll be watching this 5-minute zone getting tagged. Just a minute. I'll be right back. All right. here we are. So the zone got tagged actually, and perfectly destroyed. Perfectly destroyed. Hello, Yomar, Rob the Scalper, Kirktown, welcome, D-Pain, Larry Din, hello, Abundance Protocol, good to see you. Ron, full porting, alright. Hey, thank you so much, Kirktown. Thank you, man, I appreciate it very, very much. Thank you so much for the support there. You are awesome. And everybody who used the code. We still need to do a bit of an extra. Let me see how far are we with the competition, with the bonus stuff happening. I'm gonna check that out in a minute. But anyway, we destroyed the zone. Ken, hey, good to see you. Kirktown. Thank you so much, man. I mean, that really feels awesome, dude. Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. And by the way, 40% off with Take Profit Trader from today. So, hey, thank you, Gerd, again. Stake those accounts. Actually, let me check how we are doing with that sale going on, because we're aiming to get that. We're aiming to get that extra 350k accounts for giveaway, and the website, of course, is now slow, so I can't check it. But anyway, I'm gonna check it during the stream. Guys, I have some not too good news. Unfortunately, I hit the daily loss limit on 2 of the MyFundedFutures funded accounts because I was copy trading them. So I hit the $1,200 daily loss limit in this chop. Actually, here in this chop, I chopped myself up, and eventually I was aiming to go for the zone here, the 5-minute zone, and so actually I just sized up, so I shouldn't have, and I just couldn't bear with the losses, and I kept going and going and chopped myself up. And that's all I need to. I mean, that's that. I cannot say anything because it is what it is. But we're gonna go forward, you know. Still a chicken, all right. It's okay, right? It's okay. But so yeah, it happened. It happened. It is what it is. We move on. At least the daily loss limit has been triggered, so I almost got to a full tilt, but we managed to survive. But what a session. I mean, this here, it was kind of annoying because I thought that it should go down, but then ES started to push, so I really second questioned myself. But again, the 5-minute zone played out nicely, so eventually we got down, and we have an Asia low down there. I'm just gonna check if there's a zone below there, but nothing. And we have a new week opening gap at 751. Man, I really thought that I'm gonna get it, but anyway, it happened. Oh, I need to change the Streamlabs banners because, I mean, some of the... So I'm a little bit ahead because I just got the email. The MyFundedFutures promo is only active from tomorrow. So the MyFundedFutures promo is from tomorrow, not today. Anyway, next time. You got time to sell? Well, if you're looking for Asia low, you can still go to a sell, but I'm not really looking for Asia low right now. To be honest, as far as I checked, I'm looking at the other screen. I think ES could try to push higher. higher. There's a swing low here, and there is some fair value gaps. I would be waiting for a possible reversal to the upside. I think ES still wants to make a new all-time high, and I'm not really sure if we have a, hold on. Do we have some kind of a news? Okay, no news event. FOMC member is gonna talk at 10 a.m. and so far that's it. Financial juice, nothing special is happening. All right. Yeah, sure. You have to wait, Yomar. I think it's best to wait for now. And I think you have to keep an eye on for ES of what it wants to do. Maybe ES wants to sweep some levels. We'll see. Oh man, I need $900 to pass the next funded account on MyFundedFutures. What should I do? Sorry, $100, not $990 actually. 95 bucks. What am I saying? We need 95 bucks to pass the account. Almost. Now we need 47 bucks to pass the account. Okay, still going down. It might try to go for Asia low. I don't know. London session was, well, frustrating. We had some good trades, small trades, but then... hello to you too. But it was good. The problem was after I got myself chopped up here. So went to the daily loss limit. It wasn't good. It wasn't good. Okay, let's see, what can we do? There's a 5-minute level at 47. Not sure. Maybe it could go down a little bit lower. Who knows? Hovering a little bit, and since there's no news, we are totally relying on ES of what ES wants to do here. I think could be a little bit dangerous. Peep Hunter, hello. Hey, what's going on? What is going on? MB, hey, what's up? I'm kind of looking for a possible entry. Asia low is of course, and it's down at 800. I don't know if the market really wants that level, or is just, you know, trying to hover around here. We can easily go above the 47 up there. Kind of a hard decision to make. And we have the macro in about 2 minutes or 7 minutes. Who knows? We'll see. We'll see. Could be repricing higher a little bit. Louis, hello. Hey. How you guys are doing today? Any profits so far? Let me know. Oh, finally I managed to pass this starter account. I had a small scalp here, but my oh my, look at the daily loss on my MyFundedFutures account. It's terrible. It's very bad. Asia low. Oh my god, we taken it out. Also, look at this one. Also daily loss. Very bad day. Big red day for me. Big red day. The only good news is that I've passed a new evaluation account today. Very bad day for me. Yamil, hello. Hey. Yeah, this is going to be strong. We're going to have a strong week. Doesn't matter. This is just a small step back. So, yeah, I saw the news. Take Profit Trader, 40% off and no end of day. I mean, sorry, no intraday trailing on the Pro Plus accounts, which is good. Quick breakfast. All right. Well, 40% off the new deal, and on the Pro Plus account, there's no intraday trailing, end of day trailing only. But I think it's only on the Pro Plus, so not on the Pro account, but I'm going to check it out twice. Do I have an email? I don't have an email from them. Anyway, I'm just gonna wait for the next possible opportunity. And there's a zone that I like. That's really good. But only if ES would start to push higher. And that's on the 1 minute. So on the 5 minute, there's nothing really. Nothing on the 5 minute. That's the only level. Yeah. Not even a no. Nothing on the 3. Yeah, maybe on the 3 minute, but so far that is it. What if this one wants to go to the new week opening gap? Yeah, so yeah. Yeah, I don't have like that kind of influence, but I can definitely have a message for them. I can try. Yamil. Yeah, Pro Plus is now end of day trailing, but Pro Plus is technically the live account. But I mean, it's good, it's awesome, but we'd like to see that happening, you know, on the Pro accounts as well. That would be the real deal. They have already. What do they have? I mean, let's see. What else do we have here? This one just keep going lower. I'm actually thinking to buy more Funded Futures network accounts until the BOGO sale is on. Because why not, you know? I have no levels. TPT has been listening to us in the chat. Ah. Well, there might be something to it. I hope so. Anyway, now I'm only looking for a possible long position. As far as ES might try to push higher, I would be okay with it, but don't forget there's a new week opening gap. So if there's going to be a sell-off, which is quite possible, how far is that level? It's like 60 points. It's nothing for NQ. You know? It's not a big deal for NQ. Man, I should have taken this trade here. This was a nice trade. 1.4 R. Should have taken that instead of chopping myself up right up there. Just more patience. That's what I need. Oh, man. This is what it is. It is what it is. It's still dropping. What's going on here? Need to reconnect. No. I already went crazy, Amil. I'm through with that. I hit the daily loss limit on 2 of my funded accounts, so I'm already I did the crazy stuff already, so there's not much to do. So I think for the rest of the day, I'm just going to trade evaluation accounts. Actually, I have bought new Take Profit Trader accounts with the sale. So I think I'm just going to try to go with them. And maybe the new funded account. No. I'm actually going to buy an expert account. No, there was no giveaway. The giveaway, well, because the sale is still going with this bonus that I told you guys with Take Profit Trader. Let's see how many accounts are we gonna get. We already have 3 accounts for giveaway, and if you guys want to grab some more Take Profit Trader accounts, if you do it today until midnight, maybe we can hit the goal and get 3 more extra 150k accounts. So we'll see by the end of the day, and I'm gonna set up the link for the next stream, and we can do the get this week. All the TPT accounts are gonna be given away. That's for sure. Exactly, Emil. We'll do it. It is what it is. I'm okay. I'm perfectly fine with it. At least I know what to do next time. We'll know what to do. Man, we still need a little bit more, but we'll get it. All right. Is this gonna go higher or not? I'm gonna be still waiting for a possible shift because of ES. That's technically a zone. And this could be technically a shift higher. Huh. I might even jump in. Let's see. Maybe I'm gonna take a long position on an evaluation account if this one leaves the gap. Okay. Just a small position. But if it would go lower, well, that would be interesting as well. We have these equal highs at 75. Huh. Let's wait for it for the time being. Five minutes until the 10 a.m. hour. So I entered the long position at 816.50. My stop is at 94.75. My take profit is at 53. Don't ask me why 53. I don't know. I guess I just want to go and target the midpoint of this fair value gap up there, and so do the profit taking. So yeah, maybe miracle, hopefully. Yeah. Actually, we still have lots of liquidity up there. Until ES is trying to push for new historical highs, we might have a chance on NQ. But I don't know. Oh, it's not going. Still struggling. Let's bring back focus on the top step X-rays, making sure lockout feature. That's a good feature. I think that for you, that is something you should use, Yamil. I think that can help you a lot. Spamming the order blocks with fake orders. Yeah, it happens all the time, Miracle. I mean, not all the time, but they doing that. Orders are appearing and then disappearing. Also, good morning, Alicia. Welcome. Hey. Good morning. Good to see everybody. This week is gonna be awesome. Super awesome, I might say. Okay, so the trade is still good. Actually, let me put this out here. I'm only doing this on an eval since today I got full tilted. Not full tilted, but I don't want to have that bad feeling. I don't want to trade like that on a funded account. So but the good news for today is that I've passed a MyFundedFutures evaluation account. So now I have 3 funded accounts. And by the way, don't tell this to anyone because it's a secret. MyFundedFutures is changing its policy. You can have now up to 5 funded accounts from tomorrow. Not today. From tomorrow, you can have up to 5 funded accounts. So it's a secret, okay? Which is awesome. Hey, Zacromancer. Hello, good day. Yeah, the TPT promo with the no activation is still good, and it's 40% off. And I'm going to tell you guys exactly what is happening right now. I can actually show you guys. In order to get the diamond level for me in sales, I can actually show you there's no secret, okay? There's no secret in this. Here's the sales page at Take Profit Trader. We still need a little bit more in sales to get the 350k test accounts, which are gonna go for giveaway. But we only have time until tonight, so that means we need about, well, 15, 16 sales of accounts. I know it's a little bit maybe too much to get, but we need a little bit more sales to get the 300. I'm gonna give these away, these 150k accounts, if we hit that level. So, you know, grinding there. And thank you everybody who used the code. That was an awesome job, and I'm very grateful for all of you who are supporting. And we're gonna get that 150k. Awesome. Thank you so much, Zacromancer. Hey. Sorry, Tom, was that 5 funded on Bulenox? How do you mean? 5 funded Kirktown. I have funded account at Bulenox. Yeah, try out TPT. It's 40% off, no activation fee. Yeah, Joseph, welcome. We're going for it. So it's gonna be that's gonna be 350k accounts for giveaway with Take Profit Trader. But in order to have that 3 extra accounts for giveaway, so far there is a small trick to it. I think some of you guys told me what to do. I actually opened up the chat, cleared out the cookies, or actually opened it up in a incognito window. And so I was able to use chat in about 10 to 15 minutes. Somebody replied, so that was a good thing. But yeah, that's what we're looking for. Oh, by the way, MyFundedFutures is gonna have the promo from tomorrow. So today it's still not active. From tomorrow, there's going to be a 50% off on TradeAway, NinjaTrader, and TradingView accounts at MyFundedFutures. Again, it's going to be from tomorrow, not today. Starter Plus and Expert accounts only, so no Starter Plus account, but 50% off if you choose NinjaTrader, TradeAway, or TradingView for your platform, and it's only from tomorrow. Okay. Yeah, I mean, more accounts. I'm gonna have more. I think I was saying I'm gonna get more accounts on MyFundedFutures. 5, you can have up to 5 funded accounts. Yeah, that's what I said. 5 funded accounts from tomorrow at MyFundedFutures. So until today, it was only 3 funded accounts, and now you can have up to 5 simulated funded accounts at MyFundedFutures. I think I'm gonna get some more. I already have 3. But it would be awesome to top it up to 5. And, you know, rotate these accounts. Not like I did today. So it was a stupid decision for me to copy trade when I saw that it was still so choppy. And that was just a stupid decision. But I've been in the same situation before, so it will be okay. Yeah, a bit of a sluggish New York session, Teak. I agree. I agree. A bit of a slow session as well. I don't know why. I mean, I guess it's a little bit difficult to trade at these all-time highs. I understand that. And it kind of happens. Yeah, buy one, get one free. Yeah, it's ending today, so grab it while you can because they're ending it today. And if you stack up more accounts, you can still use the free accounts later if you pass or blow up the account. You just have to send them the receipt. Okay. Okay, there was a bit of a sweep. Going to break the low? Well, Asia low has been broken, I think. I mean, for me, the Asia low was here after the Tokyo Open. But I guess we can still go back down to 751, right? So that could be a possibility. I mean, nowadays I'm trying to use for Asia low the Tokyo Open. So, you know. Which is 8 p.m. Eastern Standard, I guess, if I'm correct. Data low. Let's see what's going on here. Man, I don't like this. I don't like this. It keeps getting weaker and weaker. I thought it wants to ride up to the 50s. It's just not going. So it might as well just gonna break the lows and go down to the 750s. I mean, I still have this trade open from 816, but I think I might just close it. I just don't feel it that way. Okay. Slowly going there. Oh, where's my trade? Hold on. Here it is. So aiming for that 853. Let's see how it goes. Oh no. I think it's because of that FOMC member is talking, right? Most likely. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Just a little bit more push. I'm not comfortable holding this position. Come on, what's it gonna be? Okay. Still just hovering a little bit sideways here. This is a take profit trader account, by the way. So a fairly new evaluation account or test account. So let's just see how it goes. But I just passed the new MyFundedFutures eval, so I'm just waiting. Yes, this is a pie position. Yeah, Yomar. Nothing fancy about this, and there's nothing really special that I'm looking for here. I'm most likely looking to get to the 50s, and I just try to go for the target applying to the consistency rule. So I'm trying to make about 1500 on this evaluation account, and that's it. So this has not been copy traded. So this is just a single trade on a single account. I wonder if this one's going to keep hitting higher. I needed to take off one. And no, close position 620. Position, yeah. Oh my. Just missed my TP there. Alright, I'm just closing it. It's fine. That's still almost 1300. So that's good. Okay with that. But so we have that zone up there, and I'm a little bit curious of how far this might want to go. How far? How far? Is it gonna go higher? I can imagine this one visiting higher. As long as ES wants to push, there's every chance for it to happen. Hey, thank you, Larry. Thank you, D-Pain. Yeah, it was so far okay, but it was by far not my ideal trade to go for. I'm kind of wondering if it wants to go up there after this move, or it's just gonna drop and maybe go for that new week opening gap. So let's just wait and see. What was the open? Open was here. So opening range is up there. 875. Could happen. Easy. Easy peasy, mac and cheesy, right? All right. Some sort of an inversion gap on the 1 minute. Yeah. I don't know. I mean, somehow I'm just not sure that it still wants to drop. Again, as far as ES still looking to go for some new highs, I wouldn't be surprised at anything. I think it might just wants to drop. Yeah, it's a little bit scary. Ah, I see. Okay. Oh man, this trade is just going. I mean, trade. This price is just going sideways completely. So, on the 5-minute, there is. Well, let me put this here because it has been deleted. Nothing on the 1-minute as far. I mean, the only gap is maybe here and down there. I don't see that the buyers are really stepping in. Almost feels like the move is done here, but the problem is with ES. Okay, this could be actually a turn here. Look at that. Shifted down, looking for a gap here, and then could be dropping lower. I don't know. It's kind of scary. Hey, Itwip, what's happening? Very weird session, indeed. It is a weird session. No question about it that this is indeed a weird London session. Super specially weird chop here. And now I just don't know. You know, can't decide what to do here. I do like that level up there, but it's just, you know, it's just not strong enough. I mean, the buyers are not really here. And it's dropping. All right, let's just wait and see. You know, if it wants to sweep some more orders below, and let's just check the 15 minute here. There's another gap down below. ES could go lower. I don't know. It's scary, that's for sure. It is scary. But, you know, anything can happen. So we took this small fair value gap here, right, that one. Shifted even lower. And now it feels like that these relative equal lows at 95 could be targeted. Bit of a long shot, but as long as ES might still wants to pop, we need a down close candle below this 795 in order to I mean, it's only on the micro. On the mini, it's not equal, but we need a down close candle in to even consider to go short. Where would I zone this short? Well, that's the problem. I don't see anything. That's the issue. That's why I don't know what to do with this. Nothing on the 5 minute. I mean, there is one here down there at previous day low. It's a little bit too far. I mean, not that far, but you know, if it starts to sell off, how far is this actually? It's like 180 points down there on the 5 minute. This is a practically valid zone, and right here. So I'd say that we can look for it. We can anticipate this is gonna happen now. As long as ES is not at all-time highs, it's just makes me a little bit scared. And on the 15 minute, I would say nothing. Nothing. And let me check the 1 minute. You know, the 1 minute is interesting because on the 1 minute chart, just before the market close on Friday, we had this bearish candle at 458. And then we have this gap. Now, if there is a gap, that would be considered as a bullish candle here in this scenario. So there's a bullish candle, which means that the next possible zone here would be this one, like opening at 742.50. There you go. So that would be the first available and valid order block or zone down there, 742.50. You know, right on the low side of the new week opening gap. Is that going to be enough? I don't know. Small sell. All right. Data low at 750. We'll see. Looking for a large order after data low. It could be one minute gap if you have a proper stop loss. Obviously, you might as well have to leave some wiggle room for the trade. But yeah, obviously, it's a possibility to go with. Seems like, again, like a bit of a chop fest here. Not much is happening. Okay, so far, no clear sign. Was a bit of a structure shift to the downside, but I think it's just not going to be enough until ES. Anyway, let's see. Still waiting for some kind of a move. We still have time until 10, 11. So right in the middle of the silver bullet hour. We'll see. Okay. Bit of a push here. We see a bit of a push. Let's see how far it's gonna go. Okay, it's pushing. Okay, so it's pushing. Okay, let's wait for it. Okay. Let's see, what's it gonna do? Okay, still feels like it might want to go lower. Very nasty price action. It's very crazy. Indeed. Man, I wish we would have some kind of a idea of how far it wants to push. Oh, I just don't know. I can't decide what to do with this. I'm just trying to find some kind of a pattern here. The 5-minute looks a little bit ugly. I wouldn't be surprised in a drop. I just don't see anything here. Okay, no sign of this one to show real direction. And you know, the funny part is that we're still in the silver bullet hour and there's still nothing we can go with. You're short right here. A little bit tempted, to be honest. Me too. I mean, but since there's no structure shift and nothing that I like, I mean, yeah, it took. I mean, this one is still valid, by the way. This short. So the downside is somewhat still valid if we want to break lower. But other than that, I don't see anything. Anything that I go with. Yeah, nothing so far. Maybe the only plan is to go back down to the new week opening gap, but I guess until we're not breaking out of this range, there is just nothing we can hope for. Anyway. Feels weak. But is it enough to take a short? I guess it should, right? No level. I mean, I'm just confused about this price action. Best is not to do anything. That would be the best thing to do. To not to do anything. Minor pullback, at least break even on futures. That could be. It could be. The 800 level is definitely not that strong there. We're still in this range. If it starts to go, we can definitely go below the 790s. But it has to tag the 800 level again in order to do so. Yeah, waiting for. I mean, that those FOMC guys, are they talking already, or are they saying something? Is there any comments right now on financial juice? Maybe. Let me just update. Digital tax. I don't know. $15 cons. Yeah, 15 contracts is a lot for me. Yeah, tomorrow should be better price action, I think. I guess today everyone is just kind of guessing if we're gonna go back to that new week opening gap, or ES is gonna push higher. That's kind of the deal of how we roll. Anyway, let's see if it wants to tag Asia low again, or might be building up some liquidity here on these levels. 15-minute looks a little bit weak, but if we stay in this range, it could be accumulating to push higher again. But so far, nothing. Nothing that we like. Okay. These lows are holding. Nothing special is happening. I wonder if it tries to go above that swing high. What's that level? Hold on. Is 54 on the micro. I wonder if it tries to do that. Maybe not. How far is that level? I think it needs to go below 806 at least. Albert, good morning. Yeah, very choppy. And I'm kind of curious if the Asia low is going to hold. Well, actually, it has already been broken. Or is it going to find some kind of attraction to go higher? Well, we'll see. Very boring. Hey, Trading Star. What's going on? Yeah, we need to get Trump to do something here. This is just getting out of hand. This is just getting way out of hand. Seems like it might want to push it up to the 53s. 54. Who knows? But no. Never mind. Never mind. Yeah, it was super choppy. And maybe it's because everybody's waiting for PM session to show some kind of a movement because, you know, the real deal is not happening during the AM session. It's kind of a hard decision during market conditions like this. I wouldn't be surprised on anything here, even if it just wants to sweep lower or if it skyrockets up there. And there's no entry that I could use. Earlier we had that nice trade that was good, and that's it. Just ranging. Man, so boring. Very, very boring price action. And I just don't know. Is it gonna try to break that level down there? Or I don't know, what's the plan? Yeah, maybe 4 times the charm. It's just super hard to decide. It's just very hard to decide at this point. Just very slow. And I'm afraid that this is how this range is going to be until maybe lunch hour. That's what I'm afraid of. That this is how we're going to go for the rest of the day. But anyway, we shall see. Could be making an inversion here. I'm not sure. All I see is that the 1 minute is basically congesting into one little area, and I don't see any possibility that it's going to move outside that level. It's just the slow grind. But look at that. This level is definitely holding. Buyers are still pushing it back. It's definitely having a hard time sweeping this area. So until we're not breaking out from this chop zone range, there's just no point to do anything here. Man, this is like watching paint dry. Hey Martin, hey. Yeah, what a chop. I think this is now New York session. This is what it's gonna be. New York from now on. Anyway, I don't care about this. I think I'm gonna sign off, everybody. I just don't feel it. I'm gonna get ready for my funded TV. I have some great topics to talk about. So NFP week, yeah, it's crazy week. So thank you so much for watching. It's a crazy market, but I'm gonna be at my funded TV in about 35 minutes. I have some good topics, and obviously we're gonna talk about risk management. Obviously, I'm gonna humble myself in front of everybody by going tilt on the funded accounts there, but what can I do? Anyway, only that's gonna be later. Thank you so much, everybody. This is a painful session. So I'll be back tomorrow as well for London and New York. And if you would like to support the channel, please use the code TomSable. We still have time with Take Profit Trader, so grab a few accounts to get that. We should get that bonus, that 3 more extra accounts for giveaway. Help out the channel. Or with MyFundedFutures and the others like Apex, Bulenox. Funded Futures Network still ending today. The buy one, get one for free promo. But there's DAYTRADERS and some others. So check it out. Thank you so much for the support. And I'll be at MyFunded TV and tomorrow London and New York. All right. Cheers, everyone, and God bless. Thank you.